1200, 1100 to go, 700 to bid, and 1100 down, 1100 to bid, that's 1100, bidding, 1100, 1100 down, around 41.
Hey, g'day, Tom Madden here, Turbo White and Sons, Ballarat, with a wrap up of our February feature steer sale. Combined agents yarded 4,800 head of steers. Very, very good yarding of cattle. We saw the top end of the grown steers, some pretty heavy steers at the top end, and they topped out today at just about 25.70. I think it was the top price today, with a lot of those steers with a fair bit of weight, anywhere from sort of 22 to that 24,500 mark. Then we got into some lighter, sort of a bit closer to the feeder weight sort of steers, and they were anywhere from 1,900 to 2,200. There was good support on all those feeder weights. There was most of the feedlots were present and active, and well supportive of the sale there. A lot of those feeder weight steers are $4 to probably $4.50 in places, some of them. You know, for anywhere from 400 to 470 or 80 kilos, and a lot of cattle in that weight category.
Exactly the same, just detail. Actually, I got out, look on here there for you, fellas. Got out as good as you see those, Baldy. Great for those. Actually, I got out, you're 22. Yep. I got 22 the money. I got 22 gone. I got 22, 10, 20, 22, 20. I got 22, 20 the money gone. At 22, 20 done. What did it 22, 20, betting gone?
We got into a pretty good run of black weaner calves. The top end of the weaner calves for a pretty heavy pen of calves, I think, was about 21.50. With most of your weaner calves with most of your top end weaner calves anywhere from probably 1,700 through to 1,900. A very, very good run of weaners here today. A lot of our local and regular loyal clients prepare their cattle especially for this sale. And I think they'll be pretty happy with the results here today, given everything that's going on. Most of those weaner calves are anywhere from $4.50 to $5. Again, pretty well supported. There's a couple of pretty good volume buyers that got into those cattle, going up through Euroa and up into Swan Hill, those sort of southern New South Wales regions. A few commission buyers were pretty solid on those sort of cattle too.
50, 60, 70. 80, 2280, 2280 front stall, 2280 90, 3, 2300, how about a bit 2300 bid, how about a bit 2310, yes, 2310 20, 30, 2340, 2340, and out they go, 12340 here. 2340 90 moment.
Then into the lighter weight calves, yeah, they were anywhere from probably 1,200 through to 1,500. It was most black calves made 1,400 plus, mostly in around 1,500 with a good bit of breeding, and upwards from there depending on your weight. And that's a quick summary for our job here today.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?